Today we're looking at part number 013-141-03. This is the Equalizer for 2.5 inch wide slipper springs for 48.5 inch wide axle spread. This baby's 24 5/8 long, as you can see. The height on it is going to be 5 1/4 inches. It uses a 1 inch center bolt and 3/4 inch leaf spring bolts. This is a real common equalizer found on dexteraxles, Carter axles, lippertaxles. Real standard. You're gonna see them on a lot of dual tandems, a lot of goosenecks, and this baby's ready to go. We got a great price on them at Trailer Parts Unlimited. It has this nice rubber bushing in the middle right here, which also we sell the replacement bushings if you ever need to replace them. And you can get this at trailerpartsunlimited.com.